Hey guys, I hope you're all having a great week. Today I'm showing you how to make a raspberry and mango fruit fool. This is absolutely delicious and super quick to whip up. Perfect for those summer days and evenings where you want a sweet treat, but you don't want to be in your kitchen for too long or turn on that oven. So I'm going to start by making a mango puree. I've got some chopped up mango, I'm going to pop that into my saucepan. In with the mangoes, I'm going to add some freshly squeezed lemon and lime juice. This is going to really help bring out that flavour. And then finally, some caster sugar. If your mangoes are really sweet, you might not need all of this. You want to have this on a low temperature until the sugar dissolves and then turn it up, and you want to let the mangoes simmer for about 5 minutes until they're lovely and soft. Before blitzing that into a puree, I'm going to leave that to cool, otherwise some of the mango puree could splash in your face and that's really hot. So leave that to cool and get going with your raspberry puree. So I've got some fresh raspberries, make sure they're nice and clean. I'm gonna pop them into a blender and I'm gonna throw over some icing sugar just to help bring out those juices. Make sure you give that a taste just to make sure it's sweet enough. Now you can leave the seeds in there, but I like to sieve mine out, otherwise it gets a bit too bitty for this dessert. So scrape off the top. I'm going to sieve that back into the bowl I was using. Not only do mangoes and raspberries taste great together, they also look great together. We've got a vibrant pink and red, and the mangoes are lovely and yellow, which is gonna go so well with that white from the cream and the yogurt. My raspberry is done, so I'm going to blitz up my mango, which should have cooled by now. Last thing to prepare is the creamy yogurt mixture. I've got some double cream, heavy cream if you're in America. I'm gonna pour that into my bowl and I'm gonna whisk that until soft peaks form. This part's optional, but I like to sweeten my double cream with some icing sugar, but I suppose it depends how sweet you'd like your dessert. And now to add in the yogurt, you just want to fold it in. That is everything done. It's now time for the fun part. It's time to get assembling. Grab your serving dish. I'm going for a glass. You could go for a jar or a bowl. You just want to assemble everything together in layers. And with that raspberry sauce, you might even want to ripple that through the yogurt and cream mixture. That will look really pretty. This doesn't need to be too neat. I'm gonna fill that gap with some raspberry puree. Get that right into the edges of the glass. As you go up the glass, just make sure you alternate between all of the ingredients to get a nice even spread. To finish it off, I'm going to garnish the top with a slice of mango and some fresh raspberries. So that is how you make my raspberry and mango fool, perfect for summer. Easy. it.